talking to, Bree?
About that worldwide 75, 351 Florida with the wave.
Somebody got conditions. I can hear you, man, but 270 got my radio. Worldwide 75 on the mail.
How about you, Chicken Man? Maybe I got some conditions around there. You Chicken Man, 351 in Florida with the wave.
You wouldn't lower that thing about what that thing
I guess I ain't got no conditions.
Hey, you got something in Indiana?
Who's that in Indiana?
Nightcrawler.
Yeah, that's who I thought it was. Hey, good evening, Tom. Yeah, trying to get up somebody's receiver. I appreciate their Nightcrawler. Old 351 is back wide.
351, have a good one out there. Old Nightcrawler in this cornfield, back quiet.
Yeah, who was that kicking on back? I know they got them big radios around Georgia. It makes it hard for Florida to get past there.
Little breeze, Mozzie, cruising his keys going to the road. I don't hear no big old radios down in Georgia.
Yeah, they got some fat rats over there in Georgia.
Mozzie cruising his keys. Well, I have to go on top of them to get back to you, so I guess I'm on the side. 351 said that over in the Carolina.
Right there, 351 with the wave of Florida is right back and back quiet.
351 789 holler.
Hey, there you go, 789. Got you up, my radio man. Good evening, Tom.
Good evening there. Hey, man. Our friend 433, early age of 50.
Yeah, I didn't know that poor fella done passed away like that.
Yeah, he was. Really don't know the real cause of it. He had massive head trauma. Passed out, fell out, hit his head. And they had to open his head up, relieve the pressure, and he didn't come out.
Oh, man, well, that's not good. I'm sorry to hear that, man. May he rest in peace.
And you come up on the radio, yeah, Mustang, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I heard somebody else coming back, man. 0789 in there. I'm just waving a hand. I'm kicked back here reading the mail. Yeah, that Dave May birdcage is doing its thing this evening. Good evening time over there. I'm waving a hand.
Hey, waving right back. Just run a little Icom 718, little Palomar 300A. Palomar 600 cable. You take care. K-Bar, your friend, 3,000 feet above sea level here in western Maryland. Up on top of the mountain.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some conditions with y'all. Y'all come in good and fade back, but I'm probably doing the same too, just dipping and dabbing. So I get out of the way, or 351 with the wave is gone.
Hello, 351, Big Jimmy with the wave.
Hey, go ahead there, Big Jimmy. Kick it on back here, southeast corner.
Just strolling. K-Bar here, 3,000 feet. We'll see you. Bye.
351, Big Jimmy in the Carolinas on the Sunday regional law on Mayberry.
Yeah, you sounded good coming out of the Carolinas. You have a good evening back that way.
Yeah, you take care, Axel. Sounded good. You know who? I'm back quiet.